Now I'm attempting to get her down. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, you can't. Can I get a chair or a stool? You can't be up on the fan. I mean, come on. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? How in the world? Come on. No, 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 no. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Come down. You're not going to hang out here up on the fan? Are you kidding me? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. How did you do that? Your wings are clipped. How are you managing to fly up on the fan? This thing could kill you. Boy, you are something else. I mean, I might have to watch you more closely. You've got your wings trimmed, and yet you still managed to get up on the fan? I didn't even hear you fly up there. Ow! Ow! Did you just bite me? Did you just bite me again? Olivia, that is not nice. Here, come on. What is wrong with you? Seriously. I make these beautiful earrings for you to play with. I give you millet, and you're being bad. I mean, I know you want to escape, but you won't survive out there. There's cats, dogs, the wind, other birds that will eat you up. My goodness. Now I'm going to have to remember to keep the fan on, or you're going to get killed if you try to fly up there when the fan's on. Scared me. You really scared me. What do you have to say for yourself? That's it? That's what you have to say? I mean, what really? Come on. Why? Why? Why did you do that? You're a domesticated bird. You're domesticated. I'm sorry. I adopted you. It's not my fault that you are domesticated. What is wrong with you? We are going to have to talk about this. I think you need to be on a timeout. Yeah. Seriously.